here on that Mercy remix. Told him watch me go, said yeah I got this. Watch me in the club get real stupid, but it don't matter, I know what I doing. Backseat, watch me out drive you in this fucking taxi. Told him go hard and I pay his ass a milli. He believed me cause the way that I make a living, so he figured he was getting paid either way, even though he wasn't. Aw shit, on my bad, I just dipped out on that man. I got $1 grand in my pocket but I wasn't sharing. Nah, I'm real ignorant, nah, I don't play by the rules, nah, I'm not fairway. So I'm just sitting here looking to the sky. It's not fair, Lord, why did my people die? I understand shit happens, but wasn't their time. Is this a message for me to get my mind going right? If it is, then just bring back all of my people. It's not fair, I live this way, I was made to be evil. Just into the addiction because I'm still fucking broke. About to give up, but I'm just almost all out of that brown dope. So I sit back, snort my last bit of raw. Then I see that my baby mama just went and called.
Left a message, say she wanna touch my balls. I'm like, no, we can't fall. We just got a fucking ball. We just gonna never stall, cause you know we'll make it all. We'll make a fucking milli, and this shit ain't really silly. Ha! No stress when I progress, can't give any less. No, my brain's a mess, I confess. Headed for success, with this music I caress. I'm the best, no contest to express the depressed. Won't stay suppressed in my chest, cause I'm blessed. So been laid the rest on my breath, left for death, still obsessed. Am I possessed? Probably yes, that's why I'm helpless. Hell, I'm devilish, and just a little bit selfish. I can't help it, I admit. Learned a lesson perfect. Was it worth this? Life was worthless, like the earth is, and my curses and all my verses. I need some help but can't find any nurses. Back to the freestyle, time to go wild. No, I ain't a child, I've been living for a while. Cause I'm just trying to go, I'm just trying to fucking flow. Cause you know all the things I know are like fucking dro. It's just smoke in my motherfucking head, it is a joke. I'ma slit your fucking throat, cause I just want to fucking do this shit. I ain't broke, but I still live off life. I'm just doing that shit right, with the rhymes I write in my mind. Trying to find a new rhyme, but I need a grind. I can't ever shine, I'm just not at my prime. I just need to live alive, need a fucking strive, but I'm so deprived. I'm just trying to keep it right, fuck shit.